Good morning students. Today we see the 9th standard physics 6th lesson. Unit is 6, light. Lesson name is light. What is mean light? Light is a form of a energy. What is the properties of light? Light is a form of straight line. This is a consider dynamo. Light is a fast through this straight line, not curved line. So very fast line pass through the light. So light is a propagations not required material medium. So light is propagated to not required material medium. Light is a speed in vacuum or air 3 into 10 power 8 ms minus 1. It's the unit of ms minus 1. So next go to law of refraction. What is this law of refraction? This is a same plane. Light pass through the one material another material, one medium to another medium. This is a called refraction. This is a called refraction. What is this reflection? The angle of incident, I is a instant, angle of instant, angle is equal to angle of reflection, angle of reflection. The instant ray and reflection ray all are in same plane. This is a same plane. Instant ray and reflection ray all are in same plane. So 2 point, 1 point is a instant ray, the angle of instant, the angle of reflection is equal. The first point, the instant ray and the reflection ray all are in same plane. This is a second point. So law is sin I by sin R. Law is sin I by sin R equal to constant. Equal to constant. This is called the law of reflection. Next go to sign convention for measurement of distance. First write the diagram. M dash. This is a mirror. What is this? M dash is a mirror. And then P, the center point P. P is a fold. What is this P? P is a fold. And X dash is a principal axis. X and X dash is a principal axis. And then C is a curvature. What is this C? C is a curvature. This is called the sign convention for the measurement of the distance. The first rule 1, all the object placed on the left side only on the mirror, not right side. All the object placed on the left side only on the object, on the mirror. All the measuring in the placed the fold, center of the fold, all the measure in the fold, measuring in the mirror P. And then direction of the instant light, the measuring direction of the instant light the same way is called the positive. The opposite is negative. X and X dash is a principal axis. Above of the principal axis the measuring value is positive. And then below of the measuring principal axis the value is negative. This is called the sign convention for the measurement of the distance. So next go to mirror equation. Mirror equation. What is this mirror? There are two types of mirror. One is a concave mirror, another is a convex mirror. So concave mirror is a positive. So convex is a negative. So concave is a negative symbol and convex is a positive symbol. Positive symbol. The formula of the mirror equation 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is this F? F is a focal length, very important, note the point. What is this F? F is a focal length. What is this U? U is a distance of the object. What is this V? V is a distance of the image. So called the mirror equation. So next go to lens equation. What is this lens? There are two types of lens. One is a concave lens, another than convex lens. So concave, same mirror, So concave lens is a negative symbol and convex mirror is a positive symbol. So lens equation formula 1 by f equal to 1 by u, note the point, minus 1 by v. So this is a minus. So plus is a mirror equation, the minus is a lens equations. What is this f? F is a focal length of the lens. What is this u? U is the length of the distance of the object. What is this v? Distance of the image. This is called the lens equations. Next go to magnifications. First you write the definition of the magnification. What is this definition of the magnification? The ratio of the height of the image and the ratio of the height of the object. This is called the magnification. The symbol of the magnification, small m. Small m is a magnification symbol. Then formula m equal to minus v divided by small u. What is this v? V is a distance of the image. What is this u? U is the distance of the object. So this negative symbol, what is this negative symbol? Negative is the real image, not the mirror image. So this is a real image. Symbol is a real opposite direction, the real image. The unit of the magnifications, no unit of the magnification. So no unit in the magnifications. So next, there are two types of lens. One is a concave lens, another is a convex lens. Same, there are two types of mirror. One is a concave mirror, another convex mirror. Concave mirror, the symbol is always negative, and convex mirror symbol is always positive. So this is your rules. So it's based on this problem. Find the size and natural. What is this natural? Real and virtual. And the position. What is this front or back position? The image. The formed when an object the size 1 centimeter in the place at the distance of the 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. You find the mirror. What is this? Concave or convex mirror. This is a concave mirror of the focal length in 10 centimeter. First you find the size, natural and position on the image. Okay. So first you given the solution value. First you given the value u means object length. What is this object? Object is here 15 centimeter. So write the 15 centimeter. What is the symbol? This is a plus symbol. So write the minus symbol. Reason lens, the mirror equation is the concave is a negative symbol. So concave is a negative minus 15 centimeter. The find out the v value, the image distance. Find the image distance v equal to question mark. Next focal length. Focal length is a 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. But using the mirror is a concave. So you find the answer is minus 10 centimeter. And then height is a 1 centimeter. Height to question mark. First you write the formula of the mirror equation formula. First formula 1 by f. So 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So write the v answer only. So put the all value 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. What is this minus? These plus symbols go to the minus. So 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So all values substitute. So 1 by v equal to 1 by f value. F is a minus 10 centimeter. Put the minus 10 centimeter and symbol is minus, and u value minus 15. 1 by minus 15. Okay. Next minus into minus plus. So 1 by minus 10. Minus into minus plus symbol. So 1 by 15. 1 by 15. Next you go to cross multiply. 1 into 15, 15. Minus 10 into 1, minus 10. And then also is a cross multiply. So plus 15 minus 10 and then divided by, both are multiply, symbol is minus 150. So next simplify, plus 5 divided by minus 150, so 1 by v equal to 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, so 1 by minus 30, so 1 by v value. What is this v? You find out the v value. What is this v? V is a reciprocal, so v equal minus 30 unit of centimeter. Very must write the very important with the unit, so centimeter. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Next go to position and size and image. So next you write the magnification formula. What is this magnification formula? M equal minus v and a small u. What is this v? V is a distance of the image. What is this u? Distance of the object. All values substitute, m equal to, v value is minus 30, you find out now. So all the values put, minus symbol is formula, answer also minus 30. So bracket minus 30 divided by u value, u is a minus 15. So put the minus 15. So very important, and then minus into minus, what is this? Minus into minus. So minus into minus plus, very good. So minus into minus plus divided by, answer is minus 15. So 1 m equal to minus 13 divided. So cancel. What is this cancel? 1 by, so 1 by, answer is 2. Answer is 2, symbol is minus, so minus 2. M value equal to minus 2. With unit, no unit of magnifications. The height, next go to the height. Height formula, m equal to h2 divided by h1. What is this h? Height of the image 2. What is this h1? Height of the image 1. The all values substitute, m value is minus 2, so minus 2, and h go to the left side, this multiply. h1 value is 1 centimeter, so put in the 1 centimeter. Next you find out the h2 value, so h2, so 1 into 2 minus 2, so h2 equal to minus 2 centimeter. This is a height of the size. What is the symbol? Minus. Minus is a real image. So very important questions. Okay. So okay, next go to problem number 2. A car is fitted with the convex mirror. Concave mirror, not convex mirror. Convex is a positive symbol. A focal length is a 20 centimeter. F equal to 20 centimeter. Another car is 6 meter, not centimeter, 6 meter away from, very important point, away from the first car. I repeated, a car, first car is fitted with a convex mirror. A focal length is 20 centimeter. Another car is a 6 meter away from the first car. So find the position of the second car. What is this? Find out. Find the position of the second car as in the mirror of the first car. Okay. What is the size of the image of the second car? So 2 is here. Find out. Is 2 meter broad and 1.6 meter height. So first you given the solution value, write the given value. Focal length value is 20 centimeter. This is a convex mirror. So positive symbol, not a negative symbol. Negative symbol is a concave mirror. So next you 6 meter. This is a 6 meter away from. So find out the away. Away is a negative symbol. So negative. Away is a opposite. So 6 meter. Meters convert to the centimeter, minus 600 centimeter. So what is the find out the image of the second car? So V is a question mark. You know formula of the mirror equation formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. What is the u? U is a distance of the object. What is the v? V is a distance of the image. What is this f? F is a focal length. All values substitute in the formula. 1 by f, 1 by f. You find the v value. So u, consider this is a minus symbol. So 1 by equal to 1 by v. So rewrite 1 by v equal 1 by f minus 1 by u. So all values substitute. 1 by v equal to f value is 20 centimeter. So 1 by 20 minus symbol, and 1 by, what is this u value? U value is minus 600. So minus 600 minus 600. Okay, minus into minus plus. So next 1 by 20 minus into minus plus 1 by 600. So cross multiply 1 into 600, 600, 1 into 20, 20. Both are cross multiply, divided by 20 into 600. So answer is 12,000. So value is added. So 620 divided by 12,000. 12,000. First you cancel 0, 0, 0 value cancel, 0 value cancel. So remaining 1 by v equal to 62 divided by 1200. Next divided the two table. So 31 2s are 62 and 600s are 1200. So value is 1 by v equal to 31 divided by 600. This is a 1 by v answer. Next you find out the magnification value. So magnification formula m. Magnification formula m equal to minus v divided by u. This is a formula of the magnification. What is this definition of the magnification? The ratio height of the image and the height of the object is called the magnification formula. So v is a distance of the image, u is a distance of the object, value is put at, so m, v is the answer minus, the symbol is minus, v value 31 divided by 600 divided by u value, see the u value is minus 600, so minus 600, go to the continue, so m value equal to minus, see minus 31, so minus 31 divided by 600 into 600 divided by 1. Okay, so all value cancel, so cancel, so cancel, remaining is here, so value is 31, m value is 31. So answer is, find out the 1 by 31. What is this? 1 by 31. So answer is 1 by 31. The unit is no unit. Next go to use of concave mirror. The concave mirror is many ways the use. Very important use of the concave mirror. Concave mirror use the first, dentist doctor, the head of the light, the treatment. So use of the concave mirror. And concave mirror, another use, the vehicle's doom light, headlight, use of the concave mirror. And the solar heater, also use of the concave mirror. And makeup mirror, face mirror, is also use the concave mirror. So many type of the use in the very important concave mirror. Next go to convex mirror. What is this convex mirror? Convex is a positive. So convex mirror is put in the side mirror on the vehicle. The driver use in the side mirror, the safety drive in the vehicle, so use the convex mirror. Next convex mirror, the traffic signal in the public area road, so safety device use in the convex mirror. So very important use of the convex mirror. So based on the problem number 3, light travels from rarer medium to denser medium. Rarer medium is a one medium Another medium is denser medium. So one medium to another medium, light is passes, the travel. The angle of incident and reflection, incident is a small I and reflection is a small r, at respectively 45 degree and 30 degree. What is this calculate? Calculate the reflective index of second medium with respect to the first medium. So solution, I value, I is a incident ray 45 degree and R value, R is a reflective index, so reflection value R equal to 30 degree. Find the first medium respect to the reflective index. So mu, what is this formula? Mu. So mu equal to sin I by sin R. So put in the value, I value sin I is a 45 degree. What is this I value? 45 degree. So I 45 degree divided by sin R. So sin R value is a 30 degree. What is this 30? Sin 30. So you calculate sin, what do you mean value of the sin 45? Trigonometry in mathematics subject. So value, all value use memories. So sin 45 is a 1 by root 2. What is this? Sin 45 is a 1 by root 2 divided by sin 30. What is the sin 30 value? 1 by 2. Only 1 by 2. So you both are cross multiply. So 1 by root 2 into 2 by 1. Reciprocal. So you ordinary 2, this is a ordinary 2. Ordinary 2 you write the root 2 into root 2. Ordinary 2 you write the root 2 into root 2. So substitute the ordinary 2 value. So ordinary 2, 1 by root 2 into ordinary 2 value is root 2 into root 2 divided by 1. So 1 root 2 cancel, root 2 cancel. So answer is 1 into root 2 divided by 1. All value 1 is divided, so value is same. So root 2 is a answer. Root 2 is a answer. So the reflective index value is root 2. So unit is nothing, no unit of reflective index. So very important problem. Okay, thank you students.